Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh guys. Welcome back to my channel, MAS channel guys. Okay guys, so hari ni happy Saturday guys. So kita chill hari ni sambil kita review our Hot Wheels hari ni. So macam kita punya clip intro tadi, kita go back old school. So siapa yang ada kenangan dengan kereta Mercedes ni, please comment. So hari ni kita ada Mercedes-Benz 500E daripada Fresh Factory kat number 2 out of 10. Okay guys, sebelum kita tengok close up of this particular car, jom kita review tengok dia punya history of this awesome old school car. Let's go. Mercedes-Benz 500E. It has a naturally aspirated 5.0 liter V8 engine. It has 240 kilowatt of power at 5,700 RPM and 480 Newton meter of torque at 3,900 RPM. And guys, it can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in 6.1 seconds. Top speed 260 km per hour. All this was designed in the 1990s. Okay guys, so let's go to the close-up for the Mercedes-Benz 500E. So the production year is in 2022. It comes from the Fresh Factory cut number 2 out of 10. The color is red. For the tempo, it has detailed grille, headlamp and also tail lamp. 500E Mercedes logo and Hot Wheels logo at the rear. For the base, it is dark grey and it's plastic. For the windows, it is tinted. For the interior, it is black. For the wheel type is 5SP. The toy number is HCT95 and it is made in Malaysia through the Asia. So it's a classic car. It's an awesome car guys. So I hope you guys like it. And as usual, if you like this video, hit the like button, please comment and also subscribe. Okay guys, take care, bye.